Come test drive the 2026 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.